Hi everybody, my name is Bertoni Terusma. I'm 53 years old. I'm married, I have a son and a beautiful wife. It happens most of the time I meet people for the first time. They always think I'm African, but I'm not. I'm Haitian from Haiti, and I've been living here since 2007, more precisely in Montreal, where I feel I fit in. My family, my friends, and people in my community are a matter of great importance for me. I speak French and my native language, which is Creole. Now, I'm learning English. I love a lot of things. I love people. I love my family. I love soccer. I love tropical food, precisely Asian food. I love books. I love reading. I have always thought that reading is one of the ways someone can educate himself. Belonging to me means to fit in, to be part of something and at the same time to feel to be accepted. Montreal is a cosmopolitan city. That's the reason I've chosen this city to live. In this city, you can feel and see a visible side of cultural wealth. Moreover, there is actually a strong Asian community that makes me feel I am home and accepted. I think one of the ways we can make other people feel like they belong in our community is to talk to them, to show them some respect. Make them feel our home is their home. Make them feel they can rely on us when a problem occurs. I think it's really important to do everything I've said because the world is a small village. It's our job to make this village a good place to live. And we can do it if we respect and help each other. Thank you.